guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to top up other countries' handphone number using Singtel Dash, for example, Myanmar, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Thailand, China, Philippines, and Vietnam. So let's go to Singtel Dash app. But of course, you have to download this Singtel Dash app from Play Store. Okay, let's go to the Singtel Dash. You click that. And then go to prepaid. And you click that prepaid. And then click this one so that you can choose which country. And there you go, you can choose which country. Philippines, Singapore, Bangladesh, China, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, Thailand, and Vietnam. So for example, you want to top up your family in Myanmar. So let's click this Myanmar. Okay, you can select from your contacts if you save already in your contacts, or if not, then you just type here. You type the handphone number here. For example, this is example only, okay? So 92577777444. Okay, this is example only, okay? Okay, done. And then you can choose if you want to direct it in data or you want the main balance. So if you want the main balance, you have to click this airtime. Okay, so for example, we click this airtime. And there you go. 500 in Myanmar, top up is 80 cents in Singapore. So this one is until 30,000 in Myanmar, or $40, 46 cents in Singapore. So for example, this 80 cents, this is example only, okay? I want to show you only. Okay, there you go. Then after that, you click this one, this next. You click that one. And then you click again this confirm, this below. Okay? You click that one. But I'm not going to click because I will not top up this number. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Oh, I want to show you how the data, for example, the data is like this. This is 415 MB is $1. $1.12 in Singapore. Okay? So that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you know how to top up your family back home using Singtel Dash. Bye bye.